Welcome to the world of luxury, where our journey begins with the rarest golden cocoons, falling like drops of sunshine into a traditional wooden basket. These natural treasures are the foundation of premium silk, prized for their unique golden hue that cannot be replicated by any synthetic process or chemical dye. Precision begins at the very first step. Our artisans meticulously inspect every single cocoon to ensure only the most perfect specimens move forward in production. Only the cocoons with the deepest color and most uniform shape are selected, guaranteeing the strength and luster of the final high-end fashion masterpiece. This rigorous selection process is what defines the quality of our silk, ensuring that every thread harvested meets the standards of global haute couture. The selected cocoons are now ready for the next stage, traveling through a pristine environment where technology meets the raw beauty of natural materials. In this controlled environment, we maintain the absolute purity of the silk, protecting the delicate protein fibers from any contamination or external damage. We conclude the first stage of our process, having secured the finest raw materials that nature has to offer for our golden silk production. The transformation begins as cocoons are immersed in hot water, a delicate process designed to soften the natural Saracen glue without damaging the fibers. Steam fills the air as the heat works its magic, releasing the potential of the silk thread that has been tightly coiled by the silkworm. Watch closely as the protein structure relaxes, preparing the cocoon for the extraction of a single, continuous strand of pure, shimmering golden silk. Using traditional tools and wisdom, the artisan carefully agitates the water to find the elusive end of the silk thread among the floating cocoons. Finding the start of the thread requires immense skill and a gentle touch, as these fibers are as fine and delicate as a spider's web. This single strand is the essence of luxury, a protein-based fiber that is surprisingly strong despite its incredibly thin and fragile appearance. To ensure consistency, we combine ancient techniques with modern precision, guiding the thread through ceramic eyelets to maintain a steady, even tension. Multiple strands are combined to create a usable thread, blending their natural strengths into a single, cohesive filament of pure golden radiance. The rhythmic humming of the reeling machine fills the room as the silk is gathered onto large reels, creating endless loops of golden light. As the reel grows, so does the intensity of the color, revealing the true depth of the natural pigments found within the golden silk fibers. Constant vigilance is required to ensure that the silk remains unbroken and that the luster is preserved throughout this high-temperature extraction process. The water acts as a carrier, protecting the silk as it moves from its cocoon state into a form ready for the weaving of fine fabrics. Every component of our machinery is designed to handle the silk with the utmost softness, preventing any friction that could dull its natural shine. It is a dance of heat, water, and motion, where raw nature is refined into the most sought-after material in the fashion industry. With the reeling complete, we have successfully extracted the pure protein fibers, setting the stage for the strengthening and twisting of the silk. In the third stage, we focus on durability. The raw silk threads must be twisted together to gain the strength required for weaving. By combining 5 to 7 individual filaments, we create a robust yarn that can withstand the intense pressures of the high-speed weaving process. The twisting adds more than just strength. It enhances the light-reflecting properties of the silk, giving it that iconic, multi-dimensional shimmer. Our craftsmen carefully manage the spindles, ensuring that the tension remains perfect so that the thread never snaps or develops imperfections. The speed of the modern twisting machine is incredible, yet every millimeter of thread is treated with the precision of a high-end watchmaker. The result is a collection of bobbins brimming with golden yarn, each one representing miles of continuous, high-quality silk fiber. The visual density of the twisted silk is breathtaking, showing a level of saturation that only premium, natural golden cocoons can provide. Industrial precision meets natural elegance as these powerful machines transform delicate threads into the building blocks of luxury textiles. Quality control is constant. Every bobbin is weighed and inspected to ensure the yarn is consistent in thickness and color throughout its length. The harmony of the spinning floor is a testament to our commitment to excellence, combining large-scale production with artisan-level attention to detail. With the yarn now strong and shimmering, we move to the art of color, where nature's palette meets the golden fibers. Luxury silk deserves natural pigments. We begin the dyeing stage by preparing rare herbal ingredients gathered from the depths of the forest. Deep, concentrated extracts are blended into the water, creating a rich dyeing bath that is free from harsh chemicals and synthetic additives. The stirring process ensures an even distribution of the herbal pigments, a critical step for achieving a uniform color across the entire batch. The silk is introduced to the dye, beginning a slow and organic absorption process that respects the delicate nature of the protein strands. Under the surface, a miracle of chemistry happens as the natural fibers bond with the herbal particles, creating a deep, living color. Lifting the silk reveals its new identity. The weight of the water and the richness of the dye give the silk a heavy, luxurious feel. Oxidation plays its part, as exposure to the air helps the natural colors to set and deepen, reaching their final, intended shade. Excess moisture is removed using centrifugal force, a gentle way to dry the silk without using excessive heat that could damage the fibers. The silk emerges with a consistent, saturated color, ready for the final drying process where its true texture will be revealed. In our drying room, the air is carefully controlled to ensure the silk dries slowly and evenly, preserving its natural elasticity and softness. As it dries, the silk regains its incredible shine, now enhanced by the sophisticated tones of the natural herbal dyes. A human touch is the final judge of quality. The artisan ensures that the silk has maintained its legendary smoothness and suppleness. Our palette is a tribute to nature, offering a range of colors that are as unique and varied as the plants they came from. The dyeing stage is complete, leaving us with a collection of vibrant, eco-friendly yarns ready to be woven into exquisite fabric. Preparation for weaving begins as the yarn is meticulously organized, creating the framework for the intricate dance of the loom. Step into the heart of the workshop, where mechanical looms hum with energy, transforming individual threads into a cohesive, luxurious fabric. The shuttle moves with lightning speed, carrying the golden yarn through the vertical threads to build the structure of the silk fabric. Every intersection of thread is a point of strength and beauty, creating a surface that is both incredibly smooth and remarkably durable. Intricate patterns come to life through our advanced jacquard systems, allowing us to weave complex motifs directly into the silk itself. Watch as the design reveals itself, a blend of mechanical precision and artistic vision that makes every yard of our silk unique. The contrast between the heavy industrial machinery and the delicate silk it produces is a hallmark of our modern craft traditions. Even with automation, the keen eye of a master weaver is essential to ensure that not a single flaw makes it into the final fabric. The newly created fabric has a flow like water, its golden surface catching and bending light in ways that define true luxury. At this magnification, you can see the density of the weave, a result of the high-quality twisted yarn we prepared in the earlier stages. The rhythmic sound of the looms is the heartbeat of our facility, a constant reminder of the dedication poured into every inch of silk. The weaving of a roll is completed. It is a moment of pride for the team as they see the result of days of hard work. The silk is moved to its final check, where its journey from raw cocoon to finished textile is almost at its beautiful conclusion. Unrolling the fabric is like revealing a masterpiece. The consistency of color and the perfection of the weave are immediately apparent. The touch is unmistakable. This is the result of natural protein fibers treated with the utmost respect and craftsmanship. We have reached the pinnacle of textile production. having created a fabric that is ready for the world's most prestigious fashion houses. The final stage is about perfection. Every square inch of the silk is examined under magnification to ensure absolute flawlessness. Our finishing touches are meticulous. Even the smallest stray fiber is removed to guarantee a product that meets the highest standards of excellence. See how the silk drapes. Its natural weight and softness allow it to follow the body's contours with effortless grace and sophistication. In the hands of a designer, this fabric becomes more than just silk. It becomes a canvas for high fashion and timeless style. The signature of quality is added by hand, a final seal of approval on a product that has been crafted with heart and soul. Presenting the final masterpiece, a garment that embodies the rich heritage of silk making and the pinnacle of modern luxury fashion. When worn, the silk comes alive, responding to every movement with a subtle rustle and a mesmerizing play of golden light. Every detail, from the hidden seams to the delicate finishes, speaks of a commitment to quality that transcends mere fashion. This is the culmination of our journey, a fusion of nature's bounty and human ingenuity that defines the very essence of luxury. Natural, sustainable, and incomparably beautiful, our golden silk is a legacy passed down through generations, refined for the modern world. Experience the ultimate expression of elegance and heritage, a golden silk masterpiece that stands as a testament to the timeless artistry of human hands in nature.